10 meters wide open this morning. Getting into the FM repeaters. Haven't done that in a while. 29.620 and 29.640 are just wide open. This one a minute ago was like 5.9 plus 10.
0HR, North Dakota, RBQS5.
Hello to North Dakota station, KJ4YZI, Florida.
KJ4YZI, AE0HR, go ahead.
Good morning, AE0HR. Very good. Yeah, I hear 10 meters is open this morning. Just wanted to pop into the repeaters real quick. I haven't done that in a while. And hope you're having a warm day up there in North Dakota. Name is Eric down here in Vero Beach, Florida. Over.
I got you on QRZ, Eric. Nice to meet you. And I'll log into QRZ. Yeah, I'm a little farther north there. Temperature right now is 14 for this time of year. Just outside.
Well, then that happens sometimes. Yeah, AE0HR, a little tough there. I got half of it, but it's up and down, so I won't hold you. Just want to say hello to see if I can make it into the KQ2H repeater from Florida. 7-3 from KJ4YZI.
Oh, very good, Eric. Nice to meet you. I logged into QRZ. Have a great day down there. Merry, excuse me. Happy New Year, AE0HR.
So it's pretty cool. Florida to North Dakota on a 10-meter repeater on FM up in New York. So that's pretty cool. It comes and goes. This one, I mean, I think it's running 1,000 watts. And these repeaters are usually big, really big stations way up in high altitude. Up in the Catskill Mountains, this one is. Let me see if anybody's on 640. Can I key it up? Oh, wait a minute. I have to adjust my split now. And I got my speakers. KJ4YZI, Florida. Usually on the 10-meter repeaters, you can just call out because when it's open, people are excited on there. I don't think you really have to treat it like a 2-meter repeater. Like, saying that you're mobile looking for a call, or CQ or nothing like that. I just throw it out there and I'll call CQ. Hell, why not? CQ from KJ4YZI down in Florida. There's several 10-meter repeaters on this frequency, but I think one's in Texas, one's somewhere else. Don't know where they are. Sometimes you never know which repeater, which way the band propagation is headed. So you don't know which repeater you're actually keying up. A minute ago, this was booked. There was people talking all over this thing. And then there's one up on 660, I think, up here. So it just depends. It's a crapshoot. But always check into the upper portion if you're a general or higher and check out 10-meter repeaters. Pretty cool stuff. I've done it mobile for years. I've done it QRP in the driveway with an MFJ 1899T, little telescopic 2-foot antenna at 5 watts on an 817 Yaesu. So it's pretty cool. 10-meter repeaters. Pretty neat stuff. Somebody's always out there. 7-3.